Hello everyone. I, Dr. Pritika Bahar from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, welcome you all to Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research online lecture series. In today's session, as a part of AD 801 Big Data course, we will discuss upon Hadoop. Hadoop is a powerful framework for handling big data. We will cover today what is Hadoop, why do we need Hadoop, and a brief history of Hadoop. By the end of this session, you will have a solid understanding of why Hadoop is essential in today's data driven world. With the explosion of data from social media, IoT, and e commerce, traditional databases struggle to handle big data because of the property of volume, velocity, and variety within the data. This is where the Hadoop comes. Hadoop addresses these challenges directly. Hadoop is an open source framework developed by Apache. It provides scalable distributed storage and processing. Hadoop is an open source platform from Apache and it is used to store, process, and analyze data which are very huge in volume. It provides fast and reliable analysis of both structured and unstructured data. It is scalable, which means that it can run on thousands of machines without performance issues. It allows us to provide local computation and storage. How Hadoop works? Hadoop uses three core components as HDFS, MapReduce, and Yarn. We will discuss it in the upcoming sessions. Let's discuss upon why Hadoop. Hadoop is preferred over traditional databases as it is having the features of reliability, flexibility, cost effective, scalable, high availability, unlimited data storage, unlimited computing power because we are using the commodity hardware and softwares, and cloud support. When it comes to Hadoop, Hadoop is widely used across industries to process, analyze massive data sets in real time. If we consider some real world use cases, it includes Facebook and Twitter, which store and analyze user interaction. It is also utilized by Netflix and Amazon to recommend movies and products based on big data analytics. Apart from that, healthcare and banking sector also utilizes it for fraud detection and predictive analytics. Let's move to history of Hadoop. Hadoop was developed by Dog Cutting to support two of the other well-known projects, that is Lucene and Nudge. In year 2003, Google file system was designed and a paper was released by Google. Hadoop, that was originally Nudge distributed file system, split from Nudge in 2006 to become a sub-project of Lucene. At that time, it is renamed to Hadoop. In the initial year 2002 to 2003, after the publication of GFS, Docketing adds DFS and MapReduce to support Nudge. Yahoo hired Cutting and their Hadoop spins up to Nudge. Afterwards, Facebook launches Hive, which supports Hadoop for querying purpose. After that, Cloudera was founded and Docketing joins Cloudera. Nowadays, we are having Cloudera Hadoop for usage. Now, what the lessons we have learned from this session? We have learned that Hadoop is a powerful, scalable, and cost effective big data solution. It solves traditional database limitation by distributing the data across multiple machines. It is widely utilized in industries like finance, healthcare, and e commerce. We will deep dive into Hadoop's key feature and Hadoop ecosystem in the next session. For further reading, you can follow these references. So, in the next session, we will discuss upon key features of Hadoop. Thank you all.